In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text in Hootsuite. It's a simple yet crucial step that enhances accessibility for your online audience. Alt text, or alternative text, provides a textual substitute for images, making them accessible to those using screen readers and providing context for search engines. So, let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and type Hootsuite into the search bar. Once you've reached the Hootsuite homepage, you'll want to log in with your credentials. If you're already familiar with Hootsuite, this should be a breeze. Still, for those new to the platform, rest assured that logging in is straightforward and secure. Once inside your Hootsuite dashboard, you're going to start by creating a new post. You'll find the Hootsuite Composer tool that allows you to draft and schedule your social media content seamlessly. This tool is pretty user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech enthusiast, navigating it should be intuitive. Now let's get your image ready. Depending on where your image is stored, add it to your post by selecting it from your computer or through your media library within Hootsuite. This step is crucial as it visually represents your message, and pairing it with effective alt text will make sure your post is both attractive and accessible. With your image in place, hover over the image thumbnail to reveal the Alt button or link. Selecting this button is your gateway to adding alt text. Hootsuite has thoughtfully made this option readily visible so you can make your posts inclusive. In the section provided for alt text, you now have the opportunity to enter a description. This is where your creativity and clarity come into play. You can either write your own descriptive text or choose from AI-generated suggestions. The key here is to ensure your description is concise, yet informative. Think of what you would want someone who cannot see the image to know about it. Is it a scenic landscape? A product shot? Provide details that will help bring the image to life for all users. Once you're happy with the alt text you've crafted, the next step is to save it. Simply click Apply or Add to secure your alt text in place. Confirming this step ensures that your accessibility enhancement is successfully attached to your image. Finally, wrap up your post by completing any remaining details and publishing it as usual. If you're scheduling it for a later time or posting immediately, follow the standard procedures for publishing in Hootsuite. And there you have it, an accessible, visually engaging social media post that caters to a wider audience. Thank you for following along as we enhanced your social media skills by adding alt text to your Hootsuite posts. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials, and happy posting!